What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and as you guys can see, we have another package here to unbox. This came from Emax, guys, so I'm kind of excited about this one. Double-bladed bat knife on deck. Ooh. This is the BabyHawk R Pro 4-inch propellers, it says. So let's pop this open. A new BabyHawk R Pro. Let's sit this back here. We have a little booklet here for the Caddx camera. So it has a Caddx camera. We got some Emax stickers. We have a little instructions manual here. Let's hurry up and get to the good stuff. So we have some 4-inch propellers here. Looks a lot like the Rush. Well, we have, wow, they supplied us with a bunch of these. It looks like we have maybe 4 sets of these, or at least 3 sets. I have a whole entire set here. We have 2 here. That's an entire set, and we have, so we have 3 sets of propellers here. Pull the drone out. So it looks just like the 2.5-inch version, but it has these 1606 motors, 3300 kV. They're feeling pretty notchy here. New Emax motors, looking really nice. I have no idea what my kids are doing up there. We have a really nice battery strap here. It has a grip on one side. So really nice battery strap here. Happy to see that. We have the wires taped down real nicely to the frame there. So let's see what else we have in here. We have some extra parts in here. So we have an extra arm. Well, double arm for the bottom plate there, and it has this nice silk screen or pattern or whatnot on the carbon fiber there. Really stiff feeling carbon. They did give us a battery in here. We have an Emax branded 850 milliamp hour 4S pack. Now I hear that this stack in here, this is an all new stack. And this stack is reportedly able to take a 6S. I'm not sure about these motors and all, but this thing is going to be really awesome if it's able to take a 6S. And so I'm just guessing that this thing is loaded to the gills with everything. All the bells and whistles should be ticked. Just like the Emax BabyHawk R Pro. Little zip tie here and an extra motor nut. And we have some extra screws and grommets in here for the flight controller. And let's get a weight on this thing. Dry weight. No props on here. 152 grams. 0.1. Just for your information, all of the motor screws go in the same direction. So let's check the weight of this thing. 166.1 grams. And let's see with this battery all up weight. The takeoff weight is 261.9 grams. So the arms are 3 millimeters. About 3 millimeter thickness on the arms. Anything else? We have a bottom plate here is 2 millimeters. About 2 millimeters on the plate here. Both of the plates. It has 2 plates in the middle there. See if we can show that. And each of those are 2 millimeters. Let's see if we can get the size of this guy. So it's about 165 Let's do some more research in the instructions manual. 35 amp 32-bit ESCs, F4 flight controller with Maytech F405 firmware. They're saying that the aircraft is 150 grams. We already did a weight on it. They're saying it's 160 millimeters. I don't know why I got 165 out of that. 25 milliwatts to 200 milliwatts adjustable. 37 channels. It has a CADX Micro S1. It does have smart audio. It's confirmed here. So pretty awesome. Pretty excited about this. The next time you guys see this, it's going to be in the air. The new Emax BabyHawk R Pro 4. Thanks for watching.